Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna paint this exhaust cover because it's worn out. Because last time I've just coat this like twice. So right now we'll triple coat this and see how it goes. So let's remove this first. So let's start with an Allen screw and remove the screws from this cover. Right guys, as you can see it's worn out because we only coated this like twice or 3 times last time. So let's clean this first before we coat this one again. So you can see it's has worn out paint. Let's clean this first or sand it first before we paint this thing out. So first we sand this one with a 400 grit and then 1000 grit. It's a bit wobbly guys because I'm actually mounting the camera on my chest, so sorry for that. So I won't sand this thoroughly because I will still coat this with a black base, so let's use the 1000 grit. So that's done. Clean this with water and then get a dry towel, then just dry this one out. Alright, so it's ready for the first coat. Let's wipe this down, make sure it's dry before we first coat this. Alright guys, so let's do the first coat. I'll coat this one with a Samurai black, flat black, and then after that we'll coat this one with the gray Samurai paint, the one we've used before. So before spraying guys, make sure to test spray so that the paint won't be stuck on the nozzle. So last time guys, I did not coat this with a black base. That's why once the paint was faded, you can see already the plastic at the bottom. So right now we're gonna coat this with black base first. So in case the coat wears off again, we're gonna see the black, so it's not obvious. First coat, just a light coat. So let's wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll get back with a second coat. Alright, so we'll second coat this one with black, and then 2 coats with black, and then 2 coats with the silver. Let's go. Alright, let's wait for another 15 to 20 minutes and let's go with the silver. Alright guys, so now it's coated with the silver. So lightly coat with the first coat. So as you can see guys, there are silver particles in the air. So right now I'm just wearing a simple mask, but if you have a paint mask, that will be better. Alright, that's with the first coat. Let's wait for another few minutes and then we'll coat this with the second coat. Alright guys, so final coating. It's with the mask first. I don't know if you can see the particles in the air, but that's very toxic if you inhale it. Alright, final coating. So if you do have an old bottle guys, like this one I have, you can use this as a stand for the cover. That's it guys. So let's install this one and see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like after we install it. So it looks pretty good as new. If you like this video guys, just leave a comment down below. And thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Peace out.